It's 10:30 right now, and we're all packing to leave. Our checkout time was actually 10 o'clock, but we're running very late. Like, the parents tried to wake us up, and we just did not budge. And then we woke up at like 9:15. But basically, now we're driving to Las Vegas. Hi guys, it's 2:30. We're in the Valley of Fire gift shop, and I just bought a selenite stick. I'll show it to you guys later, but basically it's $4, and I think that's literally half the price of what it would be in California, which is pretty awesome. So I had to get one. But we've basically been climbing rocks and taking pictures, and now we're basically just exploring the gift shop. And this was just a stop that we made on our way to Las Vegas. I think that we're almost done here, but because I don't know what else we're gonna do here yet. Okay, it's 8:50 right now. We ate pizzas for dinner, and then we started playing this board game called Cranium, but we never finished it. And then all of a sudden the parents were like, oh my god, we should go to the strip. So that's what we're doing right now, because we want to see it at night, because tomorrow night we'll be busy packing, because we're leaving the day after tomorrow. So that's where we're going right now. And we did a few outfit changes. So I'm wearing this sparkly thing. You guys probably saw it in my haul video for Black Friday, or my packing video. And then Johnny's wearing
white and this thing.
Yeah, and I actually have the same exact jacket, but I bought it like 4 years before she did. And then Rishi just... Rishi.
Is that on pause?
It's 1:20 right now. I couldn't film anything because my phone died, but we took quite a few pictures and I put those in. And so all we did was we walked around and we picked up ice cream at Ghirardelli's, and then we walked back to our car and then came home. I think we got home around like 12:10. No, like 12:45. Basically, it was kind of like an impulse decision to go to the strip today. But tomorrow we're gonna be spending the whole day in Vegas. And tomorrow is actually our last day, which is so sad, because literally on the first day I was like, oh my god, 9 more days of this? Like, this is gonna be so fun. And it's over. I don't wanna go back to school. But I'm glad that I got to spend time with all of them. So I'll see you guys tomorrow or later today. Hi guys, it's 12:15 right now. I woke up at like 9:30. Then we eat breakfast. Right now, we're playing a board game because we have a very hectic schedule. After the board game, we're gonna eat lunch, then we're gonna go shopping, and then we're gonna like dress up, take photos. Then we're gonna eat dinner, and then we're gonna go see fireworks for New Year, and then cut a birthday cake. So, you know. Me? Are we saying? Everybody put together, right? Okay. Together. 2, 1. Stick.
In front of you. You're talking to someone that you like?
Yes.
Swipe.
It's 2 o'clock right now, and we're eating lunch, and we ordered from a place called El Segundo Sol, which my mom went to like 6 years ago, and she thought it was really good, so she wanted to get lunch from there today. And I'm gonna show you guys what we ordered in a second, but because every family orders something different. We got nachos, chicken fajita, and then a corn. Give me your 2. Give me your 6. Okay. Still on. Anya, give me your 5.
Okay.
Hi guys, it's 6:50 right now, and we didn't go on a shopping spree because we just felt like it wasn't that safe because there's way more people than we were expecting, and there's like quite a few COVID cases, so we decided not to go. We are getting dressed up in the dresses we bought for our New Year's party, so all the aunties are getting dressed up in the downstairs bathroom. And actually, I'm gonna give you guys a really quick house tour. When we walk in, we have a living room here, and then stairs. I'll go up the stairs really quick. 2 bedrooms, bathroom, another bedroom. Upstairs is the master bedroom and bath, which literally looks so good, by the way. Back downstairs, we have a dining table here, another living room. That's the room we're staying in. There's a bathroom that way as well as the garage. Over here is kind of like a sitting area, our kitchen, and outside there's kind of a backyard.
Big trees.
Big trees. Big trees.
Sequoia, redwood.
Yeah.
In front of you, तो आपका view जाएगा क्या?
Yeah, red.
Okay, hi guys. It's 11:45 right now, and we're in the car because, wait, this is the strip. I don't know if you guys can see it. And basically, we came here because we wanted to watch the fireworks. We're not like in the strip. We're like parked like away from it to a place where we can see the fireworks. And I'm pretty sure they're gonna start exactly at 12 o'clock when it's New Year's. So we're just sitting in the car and playing charades while we wait. And then after we go home, we're gonna celebrate.
Help me introduce to the seatbelt.
Okay then. You guys can tell it's very chaotic here. Anyways, when we go home, we have to cut a cake because it's Nito Auntie's birthday on January 1st. It's gonna be January 1st.
Way.
Oh my god, it's a new year! It's a new year! Oh my goodness! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nito Auntie. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Alright though. What's Jason's?
Happy birthday, dear. Dexter, eat. Hi guys, it's 8:15 and everyone's starting to wake up right now. I woke up like literally 2 minutes ago. It's January 1st, the new year. It doesn't feel like, oh yeah, I am in 2022 right now. We're not really doing anything today. We're just going home, which is kind of sad because that means the trip is over. I get to see my dog again. I don't know when we're leaving the house. I just know they told us to wake up at 8. So I'm awake and I need to pack because usually I did it the night before for every house that we left, but I forgot to do it last night because I was so tired. I slept at like 2 o'clock, I believe. So yeah, I'll see you guys again when something happens. We finished packing and we took a couple of pictures outside. Now we're just gonna go home. I think that we're all gonna stop together for lunch and then go off our own ways. But the trip is basically over, which is kind of sad. They're playing their last football game right now. Okay, it's 3:20 right now and we're at Burger King for lunch. We stopped earlier at the Gurudwara. I fell asleep for like an entire hour and I had a nightmare that I couldn't move or anything and I could hear my mom talking. And I found out Ane was sleeping on me, which is why I couldn't move. Once everyone's food comes, I'll show you guys what we got. Anya got the Impossible Veggie Burger. Johnny, what did you get?
Spicy chicken burger.
Except it's over because she ate it. Arush, what did you get?
I got the spicy chicken.
Okay, Rishi,
Impossible burger.
I'm not really sure what he said, but he also got mozzarella sticks. And then I got the spicy chicken, and then jalapeno cheddar bread. Thank you guys so much for watching. That was the best trip that I have ever been on, like in my entire life, and I can't wait to do another one again. 10 days literally felt like no time. But don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week with another video. Goodbye!